and we are back with another video. So in today's video we'll be testing out St.Botanica's products, and they were really kind enough to send us the package.
And look at the package.
Yeah, this is how the package came. Hashtag because you're beautiful. Yeah.
And it just arrived, it just got a smile on our faces. Let's open the box.
We've already opened and tested, but we really like the packaging, so we kept it.
Yeah. So they have sent us their two products.
Yeah.
First one is this
Robusta coffee peel-off mask.
Coffee is really good for your skin.
Yeah.
Coffee is such a magical ingredient. You can make your own
Scrub.
Yeah, at home.
Yeah.
DIY your own scrub.
So as she mentioned that you can easily DIY a coffee scrub, but this is a coffee peel-off mask.
We have never used.
Yeah, we have
coffee
never
peel-off
used a peel-off coffee mask ever.
Yeah.
So this was really exciting to try on.
So their products don't contain parabens, silicons, mineral oil or sulfate.
That means that it's free of harmful chemicals.
Yeah, and their products are also cruelty-free and vegan. So this mask is suitable for all skin types.
Yeah. You just have to apply this mask evenly,
Like really thin layer.
Yeah, thin layer, and keep it for like 10 to 15 minutes. So this is a very gentle peel off. It won't like peel off your facial hair.
It's really soft on your skin. It's not that harsh. Like
Yeah.
some peel off masks are so terrible.
Like the charcoal ones.
Yeah, we have literally cried.
Yeah.
Using those peel off masks.
Let's go.
Yeah. So this one's really gentle.
It smells amazing. It has coffee particles in it, and you get a subtle glow on your face when you just peel it off. So if you are a coffee lover now, you'll be totally obsessed. Like I'm not a coffee person, but
this made us drink coffee.
Yeah.
Next product they sent us is their vitamin C and E hyaluronic acid. So that made me laugh, because if you've seen our other videos, then you would know that we love hyaluronic acid.
Correct.
Yeah.
So this is this cream is actually a night cream, and this is how the packaging is.
Pretty cool, right?
My brother was totally obsessed when he saw this, and
he loved the packaging.
Yeah, he's not a sucker for packaging, but when he saw, he was like, you know what, just give this to me.
Yeah.
And almost everyone in our house, loves this cream
and have tried it. We made everybody try this cream, and we really wanted
genuine review from everybody. So we asked our brothers and our sisters to try it on, and they loved it. Gave us a thumbs up like, yo, this is a product which is worth a try. Just take a little amount and then massage it onto your face
until the skin absorbs the product.
Yeah. And when we apply, you can instantly see the glow,
and there's this slight tingling sensation. It's
mild.
really mild.
Yeah.
In the daytime, if you don't like applying anything, but then your skin needs that
hydration.
Yeah.
So try to use this
night cream, so it will just work
overnight, and you don't have to do anything. You just have to sleep. Nothing else.
Only thing you have to do is sleep.
If you're looking for an amazing peel-off mask, you can totally go for it.
And also this night cream. This night cream is highly recommended.
Yeah.
Highly recommended. This you have to try it. And all the prices and the link of these products would be listed in the description part below.
So do check that out. And if you want to see more such videos, do let us know in the comments down below.
And we have more skincare routines done on this channel. We would list that down in the description box.
That's it for today's video.
We hope you guys enjoyed it.
And like, share and subscribe. Bye.